Good evening, gals and guys. I'm going to show you how I make my empanadas before I put them in the oven. So these are oven-baked empanadas. These are empanadas for baking, 5-inch. And I bought this press here from Amazon. So I'm going to place the dough right on the edge here where the ridges are. We're going to put a little egg wash on the inside so it, when you fold it over, so it sticks. We're going to take some of my filling. The filling is meat, ground beef, home fries, potatoes, cheese, green peppers, and green olives. So you put about as much as you can fit in there. And then you pull it over, and then you press this empanada. You press the empanada, press together, and here you have it. And it's going to go on a baking sheet on parchment paper. And right before I put them in the oven, I'm going to go over the top with egg wash. And I'll show you them when they come out of the oven. Okay, we're putting the egg wash on. We're all done making them. There are 12 empanada wrappers in a package. And 12 fit right on a large standard size baking sheet. So we're putting a little egg wash on them. Okay, now they're going in the oven. 400 bottom oven rack for 20 minutes. With the leftover, I have leftover empanada filling. I'm gonna make some more maybe tomorrow. So I'll put it into the refrigerator. It just came out of the oven. They're looking pretty good. We're gonna let them cool off for a minute or two. Then we're gonna try one. Okay, I'm gonna try some out. They look pretty good. Delicious. Yep. I'm gonna get some sour cream out of the fridge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, give me a like. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.